Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll teach you how to create an Instagram account in 2025. So there we have an Instagram app. So first you have to open the app. Just click on it and then the app will be open and this interface will appear. So now you have to click on create new account. So here we'll enter you have to enter your mobile number, but I am signing in with my Gmail account. So I'll use my Gmail account and just click on next. Here you will enter your password. So I have entered my password and then click on next. It is now processing. So guys, there we have to click on create new account. So save my password and then save your login info. So next time you will be able to log in your account. There you have to enter your date of birth. I have setting my date of birth, but you can enter it. So guys, there I have entered my date of birth. Now set. Just click on next. There Instagram wants to know you. You have to enter your name. So here I have entered my name. Click on next. This is the username that Instagram had created for you. So just click on next and then you have to agree the terms and policies of the Instagram. Click on agree and then it will be processing. It will take some moments. So guys, here you can add your profile picture, but I am skipping this step. So welcome to the Instagram. I have successfully created my Instagram account. Now I am not allowing this. Here you can find your Facebook friends on Instagram, but I am skipping this step. Skip for now, and then Instagram suggests you to add some people as friends, but I am now skipping this. So guys, we have successfully created our Instagram account. You can tap on this icon to see your profile. It's my Instagram profile. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Until next video, bye bye.